Jesus, they really do need help over there. Next up, folks, is John Curran from Ballina. Corky. Oh, Corky. First of all, I want to thank the lefties for making complete wankers of themselves today. I'm fed up with them, seeing that we are a land where our ancestors left this island to go to America, Canada, Great Britain and Australia, and that we should welcome these illegal and unvetted males into our country. Let's notice the big difference. Our ancestors gathered their last shillings to board these coffin ships. Over 40% died on the way to sea lands far away. In America, hundreds of thousands were put in tents on Staten Island, New York, for fear they had disease. Others who got there had to work. If they didn't, they had no food, accommodation, health care. Our ancestors helped build these countries, and they still do.
That's what I'm saying, back and make the cats and dogs. I'm surprised they're not chasing the cats and dogs to eat them.
Are bringing in these
Donald Trump are great. They're eating the cats and dogs. Watch out, we have pets at home.
Just planting them all around our beloved island. We don't know who they are, where they come from, their criminal history. They claim to be from war-torn countries, yet they leave their women and children behind them. 95% or more are not from war-torn countries. If Era got invaded tomorrow, we, the patriots, would not leave our families behind and would die to protect our country. We have always welcomed genuine refugees, those who can verify their identity, prove where they come from. They integrate into our community. They work and pay their taxes. These illegal economic migrants do not integrate and never will. They hang around in gangs, attacking our men, women and children. They get absolutely everything for free, all paid for by the taxpayer. Our infrastructure cannot cope. Our people cannot cope. And it's completely collapsing under the strain of these economic migrants. We have 16,000 homeless here. Yet our regime leader goes to Ukraine and the 14 million to help the homeless there. Why not spend that money on our homeless? Each prefab costing €435,000. Why not give these to our homeless who would gladly take them? We, the patriots of Era, have had enough. We demand a referendum on migration. We demand it now. We will not stop till we get one. We are getting stronger and stronger. And we will bring this country to its knees until we get a referendum. And get right!